SEW, the complete package, is what we are looking for to engage with. Stay engaged, stay in touch, learn from each other, and learn from best practices is really exciting. It's engaging. It's in a cool spot in Las Vegas. So a lot of the trends and innovations that we're looking for right now in the utility space at Oshawa Power are around people and how to connect people to our product and our processes. What we want to ensure is that we have engagement from our staff all the way to our customers and a seamless pathway through that. So what we're looking for are great innovations on how we do our work every day, how we bring those trends to the field, how we engage our teams in different groups to be able to be coordinated and working together all at one time and delivering a product that is safe, reliable, and cost affordable for our customers. For me, means enablement of talents and skills, unlocking opportunities for individuals to gain more access to data, to be able to do their jobs more effectively, and humanizing a lot of what we do already online with our customers. So for me, the people aspect of AI is really helping individuals grow, become more productive, but also be happier at work, and delivering a product to our customers that is more on point to what they're looking for, engaging them where they are, and engaging them how they want to be engaged. SEW's AI platform really takes into scope the full end-to-end delivery of our product, from our workforce management all the way to the customer experience, and integrates all of the processes in between to allow us to deliver a better product instead of encapsulating small wins in individual units of measurement. For SEW, the complete package is what we are looking for to engage with and help modernize our utilities functions all around. So taking on different aspects of personas, from our customer base all the way to the personas within our organization, are what really set it apart from others in the industry that can really only help in segments and groups individually. If I had to leave a call to action to the WE3 community, I would say that, stay engaged, stay in touch, learn from each other, and learn from best practices. What's important about these conferences is that we come together and we actually share ideas and share innovations that each of us have been able to capitalize on. With SEW doing this, it actually offers us an opportunity to have those conversations, to continue those conversations, and actually make better connections so that we can deliver product to our consumers and customers around the world in a better way. I think the vibe at WE3 this year is really exciting. It's engaging. It's in a cool spot in Las Vegas, and I think that bringing everyone together here has really brought a lot of energy. And so, pun intended, I think the vibe here is one of a lot of global collaboration and sharing.